You remind me, I was at I think it was a pulmonary fibrosis group, and it was a wonderful conference because it was patients, but also researchers and physicians, all in the same conference. And the researchers got up there and said, "We're working on these new treatments, and we're going to save your life." And the patients just said, "That is terrific, but can you help my cough?" And they're saying, "But the cough isn't what's killing you." I know, but I don't want to live if I have to keep this cough. So they learn what's the priority for the patient.